This is the Italian News Channel, and here are the big stories of the day. First up, your brain's a secret DJ, and why smart people dance better. Apparently, your brain is thumping along to its own hidden beat, and smarter folks are better at vibing to it. Turns out intelligence might just be a good rhythm section. No wonder Einstein probably had the best internal playlist. Finland just invented a beach that heats your house. You heard that right. The Finns built a giant sand battery that stores solar energy like a beach that never chills out. It's hot, eco friendly, and honestly sounds like the next Bond villain's liar. Cloud nerds, brace yourself. Slack's getting a makeover. CNCF is giving its Slack a facelift this June 20. Expect fewer channel horrors, more organized threads, and maybe, just maybe, a chance to find that one message from 3 months ago. ChatGPT joins the army, kinda. The US Department of Defense just gave OpenAI a cool $200 million to put frontier AI in camo. So yes, Skynet's little cousin just got a government badge. Let's hope it doesn't start saluting toaster ovens. Intel to factory workers. It's not you, it's budget cuts. Chip giant Intel is letting go of up to 20% of its factory workers. They are calling it strategic restructuring. Translation: fewer humans, more spreadsheets. Crypto is getting trumped, literally. Justin's son is allegedly going public with some Eric Trump magic on the side. When the crypto brothers meet political dynasties, you either get a mimic coin or the end of financial credibility. TBD man. OpenAI versus Microsoft. The AI power couple's public breakup. The AI love story is cracking. OpenAI and Microsoft are trading shade and nearly lawyering up. From hugs to hand grenades in under 6 months. Silicon Valley's got better drama than Netflix, man. The Naked Gun is back, and Liam Neeson's a walking whoopee cushion. Yep, The Naked Gun is getting a reboot. Liam Neeson plays the new Drebin. Pamela Anderson's here too, and if you thought slapstick was dead, it's about to fart its way back into your heart. Salesforce AI fails basic human decency test. A new Salesforce study shows that AI agents can't keep secrets or follow simple CRM rules. So basically, we have created digital toddlers with access to your sales pipeline. Canine is the good boy of dev platforms. Forget Heroku. Canine is the new open source pup built on Kubernetes. It fetches, deploys, and probably won't eat your staging environment. Sit, stay, deploy. Hackers pivot to insurance because that's where the money is. Cyber criminals are done with retail and are now sniffing around insurance firms. Because why hack a hot dog stand when you can siphon from $1 million policies? MAGA just launched a phone. No, seriously, there's a MAGA mobile network now with a rumored gold phone called the Phone of Destiny. If you've ever wanted to text like a patriot and charge it like a Bond villain, your time is now. Well, from brainwave raves to gold-plated phones, it's another day in the weird, wild world of tech and politics. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment with the headline you thought we made up. Because honestly, some of these sound like satire, but aren't. Catch you tomorrow on Italian News.